This is the last manned Trinity House light vessel that was ever out there manned, and that ended 250 years of men serving at sea looking after the mariner. And when they turned this one off in 1995, I thought to myself, something's got to be done here, we've got to save this. And our volunteers, we got our heads together, we said, look, we've got to keep it exactly as it is, and we haven't moved one nut or bolt or screw. It's absolutely as it was as the guys left it.
Okay, Fury, if you can give a little bit of weight on the starboard quarter, stop us setting onto the end of the jetty.
Roger. I'll come round just fine on that starboard bearing.
Yeah, that's great. No, it's looking sweet.
Well, I work for Harwich Haven Authority. We provide pilotage to any commercial vessel using the rivers. And obviously assisting us today, we've got the Grey Salver with a skipper on there called James Howe, an experienced guy that's probably been on the river all his working life. And then aft we've got a local marine contractor called Tam Grundy. So without those two in place, obviously with the LV-18 not having an engine, it wouldn't be going anywhere. From this distance, it looks like we're not going to fit under the bridge. But the drawings say I think there's about 43 metres, so we'll just duck anyway as we go under, just in case.
We're almost at the Ipswich lock now. We've gone through a manoeuvre which is quite complicated where the two tugs have swung us round. So we're going to go through the lock backwards, and we're going to be very careful as we go through because we've got about 1.5 metres overall. It's been a collaboration between lots of agencies and lots of volunteers and a lot of goodwill. Harwich Haven Authority have been absolutely brilliant. They've supplied a pilot for us. The tug company have been very kind. They're just not charging us a great deal of money. You know, we can only thank them that it's taken this long to put together, but at last we've achieved it. And what a fantastic day we've got to do it. Fantastic.